Hi students, welcome back. Coming to our next topic, that is clustered indexing. So in the previous video we have discussed what is a primary indexing. In the primary indexing we say that the primary indexing should be an ordered file with two fields, that is a key field and the next is a block pointer. In the same way, the clustered indexing is a non-key plus it should be ordered. So primary indexing should be ordered, as well as a clustered indexing is also in the data file, whatever the data file that the database is accessing, so that file should be ordered. So it is an ordered file with two fields, non-key. It is an ordered file with two fields, that is non-key and block pointer. Okay, so the index file means the index structure consisting of the non-key value and the block pointer. Okay, so actually the clustered is created on data files whose files or records are physically ordered on a non-key field, which does not have a distinct values for each record. That field you call it as a clustering field. Means here ordering field of a data file. So if you take any data file, so which is an ordered, have a distinct values for each record. So for each record, whatever that is there, we are accessing from by using the index file. Okay, so having the distinct value includes one index entry for each distinct value of the field. So this point you have to be noted in the cluster index. The main point here is we are using the non-key value. Okay, the search key value should be a non-key value and it includes only one index entry. Okay, if you are having the multiple distinct values in the data file, even though the data file is having the distinct file, you are having only one index entry for each distinct file of the field. So let us see the example, then you will understand what is the clustered index. Okay, so here you have taken a non-key and block pointer. So the values, the non-key A, B, C, D, E and F. So these are the non-key values. So let us take the data file. So the data file consisting of different blocks. So each block contains the three records, A, B, C in one block. Another block contains C, D, E, and another block contains E, F. Okay, so this is the data file and here this is the index file. So index file, you are having the non-key values 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 non-key values are there. Okay, so these 6 non-key values will access the data file, so blocks on the data file. So here we are having the 3 blocks. So each block consisting of 3 records. Okay, so what it's saying is here A is accessing this block, B is accessing here, and the C will be found in this block. Okay, D in this block, E is in this block and F is in this block. Okay, so here you just check here, it includes one index entry for each distinct value. Only here we are having two entries, two records, so with same value, the C is one record. Again in the another block the C will be there. Okay, instead of entering the two multiples here, only one index entry for each distinct value. So with it's having two distinct values. Even though it is having two distinct value, only one entry is there in this block. Okay, only one entry, the C. Okay, in the same way here is also you are having the three entries, E. Okay, not three entry, three records are there in the blocks. So here is also we are having only one index entry for that E. Okay, only one index entry for these three records. It points to the first non-key value. So only whatever the non-key value that first appeared, it points to that only. Here is also, here we are having two C's. Okay, so whatever the non-key value that appears first in the block, that will be pointed. This is the clustered index. Even though you are having different distinct values, the index value is the index entry is only accept one index entry for each distinct value of the field. Here the ordering of the field of a data file have a distinct value for each record. Okay, and here there will be, you have to note it that there will be only one entry for each unique value of the non-key attribute. So this is the important note in the clustered index. So there will be only one entry for each unique value of the non-key attribute. So this is the cluster indexing. Here index entry is created for each distinct value. For each distinct value, first index entries are created. Okay, so and then block pointers, these are the block pointers. So block pointer points to the first block where key is available, means the non-key value is available. So the block pointer points to the first block where non-key is available. Here the type of index is used is the dense as well as the sparse, both will be used. So now what are the accessing? Okay, average number of blocks access required. So what are the average number of blocks access required? In the primary index you are having log n to the base 2 plus 1. Okay, log n to the base 2 is the number of blocks for accessing is required, and the plus 1 is to reaching to that particular record. So suppose here you got the log n to the base 2 up to here. To reach to the particular record, you are doing one more search. That's why it is plus 1. But here in cluster index, average number of blocks access required should be greater than or equal to log n to the base 2 plus 1. Why it is greater than or equal to log n to the base 2 plus 1? In the primary index, average number of block access required is equal to log n to the base 2 plus 1. Whereas here is, it should be greater than. Why it is greater than? Here you can observe. So in the index file, the entry should be less when compared to the data file. So in the data file, you are having the distinct values. So multiple files, records are there. Distinct value, repeating value. So C, E. Means that's why. So this data file may be greater than or equal to. It has to check more values. Okay. So instead of after completion of the C, the index entry is checking for to check the another data file, data value. Means the data record. So instead of going to here, it is skipping to D. Okay, after D, the index entries goes to the next record, that is E. So here already 3 E's are there, means 3 different distinct values will be there. So it's shifting the search to F. Okay, means the searching will be increasing. Here the greater than or equal to log n to the base 2 plus 1. Okay. So here the data file consisting of more records than in the index entry. Okay, this is about the clustered index. Thank you.